Hey guys, welcome to another 9 to 5 dividend investing video. I am Mike, and in today's video we're going to be discussing a stock that I just started buying. And as you guessed from the thumbnail, it is Clorox, or the Clorox company, ticker symbol CLX. But before we get into that, disclaimer, I am not a licensed professional. If you need help investing in the stock market, please seek a licensed professional. So guys, yes, we're going to get into Clorox. We're going to get into some bad things about it, some good things about it, my reason for purchasing it, and then of course we're going to take a look at the dividend. So keep it here and dividend invest. And here we go, guys. Clorox, so many products including Armorall, 409, Pine Sol, Burt's Bees, Greenworks, Liquid Perma, Glad. The list goes on and on for Clorox. Just like 3M, such a diverse company, so many products. And as we could see from this photo, they're not just about cleaning products, including Fresh Step, Kingsford. We all like to grill during the summer. And I don't know any other charcoal besides Kingsford, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm sure there are other ones, but I go with Kingsford. And Burt's Bees, like we said, salad dressing. Ranch salad dressing that we see right there. Fresh Step that we said with kitty litter. Again, Brita water filters. The list goes on and on with all the products that Clorox has. So the Clorox company manufactures and markets consumer and professional products worldwide. Remember that, worldwide. Not just in America, but all over the world. It operates through 4 segments including cleaning, household, lifestyle, and international. The Clorox company was founded in 1913, another company that has been around forever and is headquartered in Oakland, California. So we took a look at some of the products that Clorox has. If you're not familiar with at least one of these products, then get familiar with them, because Clorox is a major company. And now we're going to go into some of the charts and some of the things that I like to look at before I even buy a company, and we'll get into why I actually purchased them the other day. So as of October 8th, 2019, the Clorox company, ticker symbol CLX, closed at $149.80. The Clorox company has a current market cap of $18.7 billion. That's a pretty large company. Trailing 12-month PE ratio of 23.70. It's a little high for my taste, but I mean, trailing 12-month earnings per share, $6.32. Next expected earnings is October 31st, 2019. Oh, spooky. The forward dividend is $4.24. And the current yield is 2.84%. And if you just take a look at the chart here, you can see that Clorox closed today at $149.80, and a year ago today it was $144.84. So not much has changed in a year. It's had its ups and downs, but nothing too crazy. I mean, as we could see, the high was $165.62. On July 22nd, 2019, $166.33. So I mean, the 52-week range was $141.53 to $167.70. So now we take a look at Clorox's Q4 2019 earnings. Clorox beats by 4 cents, but missed on revenue. GAAP EPS of $1.88, which was a beat by 4 cents. Revenue of $1.63 billion. That was down 3.6% year over year. A miss of $60 million. So just to reiterate, Clorox did beat their Q4 2019 earnings, but missed on revenue. So now they're going to be reporting their Q1 2020 earnings. Clorox's Q4 2020 earnings, let's just say I'm not going to be surprised if either they miss or beat very slightly because of this. So on Wednesday, October 2nd, Clorox dropped after a guidance update. Clorox, during a presentation by management at an investor event, the company expects full-year revenue to be down at a low single-digit rate to up 1% versus 0 to 2% range. Earnings per share of 6.05 to 6.25 is anticipated versus what they originally stated was $6.30 to $6.50. Prior outlook and $6.41 consensus. So due to all the headwinds, including the China trade deal and the ever-coming recession that we're all waiting for to happen, Clorox did drop that day to 1.9% when they lowered their guidance, And that's why I said I don't expect a beat right now. A possible miss. If it is going to be a beat, it's going to be very, very, very small. The revenue should be down quarter over quarter, even year over year. I saw a deal and I started buying it at 146.99. So right now I'm a little bit up, but we're not worried about that. What I worry about is the dividend, and let's get into some dividend numbers. Now for my favorite part, the dividend. Clorox's dividend yield is 2.80% with an annual payout $4.24. That's pretty right there. Payout ratio is 65.07%. That's a little bit high for a payout ratio. I usually like payout ratios under 60, but for Clorox's case, because of all the brands and how long it's been around, I'll make an exception. 5-year growth rate of 6.62%. That's a pretty nice growth rate. Double-digit growth rates I like better, of course, but 6.62% is not too shabby. Dividend growth of 42 years they've been growing their dividend. Excellent, excellent dividend growth. They last announced their dividend of $1.06. It was declared on September 17, 2019 with an ex-dividend date right before the earnings, the Q1 earnings. Of course, Clorox does pay out their dividend quarterly. So over the course of the last 5 years, Clorox has been raising their dividend payout. The yield, it's very rare that the dividend yield goes above 3 or even hits 3. So it is approaching 3 right now, and that's why I saw a deal with their stock price declining, the yield going up. If it hits 3, I'm going to be buying heavily. If the yield stays right where it is, I'm definitely going to be buying more, just not as heavy as though if the yield goes up to 3, because I would love to lock in that 3% yield with Clorox, because I do see that dividend getting a raise. Maybe, again, not as much as some of the raises in the past, but I do see a low single-digit raise coming with Clorox. So guys, that is my take on Clorox. I am a shareholder. As I said, I just started buying shares of Clorox. I love the dividend. I believe that Clorox is going to be around for a very long time, and it has been around for a very long time. I'm not saying Clorox, the stock price is going to grow, but that dividend, even if it grows by low single digits, is still a pretty juicy dividend for a dividend investor and for the income. And with reinvestments, I see a good return with Clorox in the future. And I'm looking 20, 30 years into the future with Clorox. So guys, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of Clorox. If you have another stock in mind that I can take a look at, let me know. Also remember to check me out on Twitter at 9to5 DIVINVEST. And we have an Instagram too. I'll put the link at the bottom. With that said, guys, disclaimer, I am not a licensed professional. If you need help investing in the stock market, please seek a licensed professional. So always remember, dividend invest.